Hi guys, today I will talk about how can you find my network on your iPhone. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. You just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you come here to privacy and security, you just click on it. Then you come to next step, it's going to show for you like this here. Click here on location services, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on share my location, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on find my phone here. You come to find my network, click in this sign or this color. Then you click on disable. Like you see color is gone, that's me find my network disable with us now. That's all you have to do, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.